In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the sales page in Teachable. Let's jump right in. First, access the editor from your Teachable admin. Open the specific course you want to work on, then head to Pages and choose the sales page. Click Edit to open the visual editor. This is where you'll see your page laid out as a series of blocks, each one representing a section like a banner, text, images, or a video. To customize what's already there, click directly on any existing block. When you select a banner or an image with text block, you can swap out the image, change headlines and body copy, and adjust layout options like alignment or background style. Use clear, benefit-focused language in your headlines, and keep paragraphs scannable so visitors can quickly understand what your course offers. If you're updating images, choose clean, high-resolution visuals that match your brand and look good on both desktop and mobile. For videos, make sure your thumbnail is inviting and that your video is short, clear, and focused on outcomes. If you need more sections, use the Add New Block button inside the editor. You'll see options like Curriculum to showcase what's inside the course, Pricing to display your offers, and Featured Products if you want to cross-promote. After you add a block, you can drag and drop it to rearrange the page flow. Place your most persuasive content near the top, like a strong headline, a supporting image, and a quick explanation of who the course is for. If something isn't needed, select the block and remove it to keep the page clean and focused. For pricing, add a pricing block and configure how you want your offers to appear. You can highlight a one-time purchase, add payment plans, and write short, clear descriptions so students understand exactly what they're getting. Keep labels concise, and consider emphasizing your most popular option to guide decisions. As you make changes, click Save regularly so nothing is lost. When you're ready to check your work, use the Preview button to see the page exactly as a visitor would. Look for spacing, image scaling, and how your headlines break across lines. It's a good idea to view it on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything reads smoothly and key information stays above the fold. If something looks off, go back into the editor, make quick adjustments, save and preview again until it feels polished. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently edit your Teachable sales page, refine your message, and present your course in a clear, compelling way.